Well, I caught that fish there and it came off right at the bank. Damn near lost that one. Anyway, tossed him back in the water there. It's a little too small to lay up. Might actually might some fish tonight if I can catch a couple big ones in here. But man, look at how low this water level is. It hadn't rained in forever. I think we're like day 58 or 9 or something. Long time since it's rained. Fish sure are jumping though. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's a bunch of minnows and stuff. This pond has a absolutely phenomenal ecosystem going on. So these fish grow pretty quick in here. You got plenty to eat. Anyway, came down in here to the corner here. This is like the shallow part. When it's hot like this, you can find some up here feeding on these minnows and sack you a good one. Anyway, that's the old pond house that used to be sitting up there before the tornado hit and did all this crap. But yeah, it's in the middle of the pond now. But you can see how low it is. You can see the water line on it from the spring. This pond's a good 2-3 feet low. If you can see past this here, see if I can zoom in on it. I had them put that drainage pipe in there so that it won't burst the dam. This pond did that a few years ago, but this pond had broke its dam, got too full during a flood, and broke back over in here. So that way it can't get over the top of the dam anymore or go through that runoff tube. So it can only get about to that height where you see the water level there. Anyway, when I restocked it, this pond has minnows and bass only, so there is no other fish in here. Think about putting some kind of feeder fish for the bass, a little bigger than minnows. Maybe look at that one jump right there. See that? Anyway, think about putting some perch or something in here to give the bass something to eat on. It's a little more substantial. So between filming there, that one that's been jumping up there, I hung him, but he got off. But anyway, you see all these minnows over here and all. This is what it's. These fish will come up here in the shallows here and eat. And then back in that neck there is where the big bass hang out. But I had a little boat out here, a little 2-man boat, aluminum job, you know, a flat bottom, a little trolling motor. The trolling motor was inside that building, so it's at the bottom here now. And I still have never to this day found that 2-man aluminum boat. I don't know where it took off to from that tornado. So used to I go up in there. It's a lot of poison ivy and snakes and all kinds of stuff trying to get around there the other way. But it was great when I had the boat. Just go right up in there and catch a big bass. But just we'll have to get another one. If I need like a GoPro or something I could have had on my head when I just hung that big one and come up out of the water, but film with my phone, so can't reel and film at the same time. Rex is over here sunbathing, I guess. You alright, buddy? Rexy. He ain't paying me no damn attention. You know, he'll lay out here sometimes and sunbathe and kind of freak me out because I'm thinking he's dying, but he's at the age where he's getting about that old. He can go pretty much any time. Old age. What's up, Rexy? You give me the evil eye, Rexy? I think he got mad at me there for messing with him while he's trying to take his nap in the sunbathe.